Are you looking for a reliable, experienced service for thermostat upgrades and repair in Burlington? Look no further than New Tech Air System. We offer top-of-the-line thermostat upgrades and repair in Burlington and its surrounding areas. Our team of certified professionals is dedicated to providing you with the best service experience possible. We have the expertise and resources to handle any and all of your thermostat needs. We use only the highest quality parts and materials to ensure your system is running optimally. We also offer competitive pricing and outstanding customer service. Give us a call at 647-244-0432 for all your thermostat upgrades and repair needs in Burlington. Trust New Tech Air System for all your thermostat needs.